Do you need to lock down your entire WordPress site with a password? With Passster, it's simple. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to protect your full website in just a few steps. First, head to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Passster, click on Settings, go to Global Protection. Enable the Activate Global Protection option. Select a password entry page, then click Save Settings. Go to Pages and edit the page you selected earlier. Go to the Passster settings, toggle on Activate Protection, set a password, and save the page. Any visitor trying to access your site will be redirected to this password page first. Once the correct password is entered, they'll gain full access. Let's see an example. To view the content on the website, visitors need to enter a password first. That's it! Your entire site is now protected with Passster.